This is ordinary cup. This is ordinary cup. So, and this is natural water, normal water. This is normal water. So, pour the water inside the cup like this, like this. Pour it. So after that, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. So after that, bring that your buff like this my own rechargeable buff, like this my own rechargeable buff. So look at it. Put the buff inside, put the head inside the water. This thing is going to show light. Yes, look. You see it. You see it. So just normality. It's just normal. You can remove the board and put it inside. It is going to show the light. Please don't forget to subscribe to us.